Clarendon Funeral Home operator killed during fight. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A funeral home operator was reportedly shot dead in Palmer's Class Clarendon on Tuesday, reportedly during a fight. The deceased has been identified as 42-year-old Sherwin Williams, also known as Baba, of Newtown address in Hayes in Clarendon. Williams was the owner of Rising Footprints Funeral Home. Reports from the Hayes police are that at around 10:45 a.m., Williams and a man who is a licensed firearm holder got into an argument that became physical. During the fight, the man's firearm reportedly went off accidentally, hitting Williams in the upper part of the body according to reports. Williams was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police have listed the suspect in the shooting as the businessman's brother-in-law, who is said to be a Jamaican Defense Force soldier and a licensed firearm holder. Residents have described the incident as unpredictable and tragic, as Williams was a kind man. The Clarendon police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.